What's up, guys? You know who it is. It's your boy Kenny with JDM Muscle. Drift season is here. It is midway through March. Actually, we're in about the third week of March. First event is coming up this Saturday, days away. I've got the 350Z out. We do need to do rear diff fluid and trans fluid. I'm more worried about trans fluid because I did diff at the end of the season, but this is what we're going to be swapping out right from Nissan, guys. Genuine parts, manual transmission, 75W85. If you buy it from Nissan, you get 4. It does take about 3.5, depending on if you drain it all out. But I'm going to show you just how easy it is. We've got the car up, level all the way across. It is a 10mm Allen head. We'll break free the side one, break free the bottom one, drain it all out, and then I'll show you how we're going to put it back. All right, guys, so on to the next part now. I'd actually seen and read the easiest way to get this transmission fluid in is to actually buy one of these. Hold on real quick. Is to actually buy one of these. You can, of course, open it all the way up. It takes about 3.5, so we're going to put 4 in here. If there's a little left over, it's not a big deal. We're going to end up doing the other 350Z as well, but we're going to fill this all the way up. Of course, once this is in here, what we're going to do is I'm going to have this into the transmission. My brother on the outside is going to be here pumping, and we're just going to slowly pump it all right into the tranny. Of course, putting it to the side bolt. Eventually, when it's full enough, it will come back out the hole, and we know it's full. Put the bolt back in, and it is done, guys. From there, I'll let the car run. We'll cycle it through, let it warm up, but it's that simple. So let's start filling. Let's start filling it up. So looking at the color of it and comparing to the color of what I had in the car, pretty close. Now, I did buy this car actually from auction, so I had actually not known how much fluid was in it. So the good thing is, I guess maybe it had been done at one time, but still good to do. Okay, guys, so we're underneath. Like I said, it's a 10 mil. Both are right pretty easy to access. One's going to be right underneath. That's the drain. The fill is up on the passenger side. Make sure that it's pushed all the way in. I'm decently strong, not overly strong, but for me, it was just grabbing. And I'll show you, I haven't broke this one free. Just like that. So I'm going to take the side one, loosen it so air can get in, start spinning the bottom one, and let's get this nasty shit out. And there we go. Honestly, guys, it doesn't look horrible, but I don't know if it's ever been done. Stinks like booty hole. All right, guys, so that is it. It worked. It probably took about 2 minutes of me holding this in the hole wide open while Hunter pumped and then let it flow, pumped and let it flow. And it started coming out that side hole, which means it's full. I let it come back out a little bit. That way we're not over full. Now it's just tightening it back up. And guys, we are done. So we can drop it down and call it good. All right, guys, and just like that, that is how you dump and refill your transmission fluid on a Nissan 350Z. They're all going to be the same for all body years. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, subscribe, tell me what we should do next. If you're drifting, meet me out at the track. Otherwise, guys, like always, G Fuel is my main sponsor for 2025 as well. Code JDM Muscle saves you 20% off. Peace out. Till next time.